I wait. I put it. I don't know how to do. It is for the student to get certificate. Graduate ceremony in Cambodia. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And so you have a cap more? Not goes there. Okay. Wow. Now I arrived in Cambodia, and after more I came one factory in Phnom Penh in Cambodia. Now I would like to show you a bit about the people here and the worker here. They start the cut thread. I show you the cut thread here and the small thread, and I would like to show you and how to cut the thread here. After more I show you, and after more you will see about the cut thread. It is small thread. And here, it is 3 people here that they cut thread. It is for skirt, it is shirt, and it a pant that she start all the time and cut thread here of fringe. So after more, I would like to show you some place more about the iron. Come on with me. To show the iron and how do they can iron well, and after more we have to do it well, and after more we iron it. It's very special, and they have to bag and go, and after more they start to iron it. Come on, look together. They show you how to iron it very well. That very good. So I have to show you. Yeah, come on. It's very special, and when we iron, we have to prepare it well, and after more we start to put in the water, and after to iron here. It's very special, and iron the pant here, different a bit about skirt there, that she start about iron skirt, so I show you here, yeah, very well. And for pant, and the iron about the skirt. It's very special that I show you here. Very good. And how to do it and very well. And how to spray the water. When we iron here, we spray the water. Spray the water, and after more we iron it again. And I show you a bit more about the skirt. I show you about skirt here. Very special. And how to make it well, a skirt. No crease is special. And you look here a bit. Yeah, and very good, and to do it well. Come on, look together. Come on, look together. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So very good, very well. And the iron, very special. The specialists, they can iron very well because they have been doing here, are working here for a long time. Sometimes 2 years, sometimes 3 years. They're very expert or specialist that it can for iron it well. So it is for that a Cambodian factory that are in Cambodia. I would to show you that it can make a skirt here to a lot school in Cambodia, international school, and so different a bit, yeah, and very good color, and is for white and the green, and very special. You see here. Yeah, because very specialists, they can do it well. Decay, yeah. Okay, come on. So I would like to show you a bit, yeah, and how do it more. She tries so much very well. And so after more we look a skirt more, that very good. So we try, yeah. That is skirt, yeah, very good. For 3 or 4. They especially they have been working here for a long time, sometimes 3 years, 2 years. That I show you. It about pants, a pen. Sometimes they can iron here. Sometimes maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they can iron well. Not a long time, very fast, because they're specialists, so expert. Yeah, very good, very strong. In Cambodia, we have a lot of factory, but it's very special factory. I came here because I want to show you a lot of worker here. They can iron here, about skirt, about shirt, about pants. We have 3 women and 1 boy, and they show you about skirt here. Yeah, and very, very good. Yeah. So after more, I would like to show you more. A very good place. Some here more and how to do it. So when we iron ready and we came here and we bend it, we bend like this. We bend like this. Very special, very specialist. So the band here, all about skirt. Yeah, all about skirt. So when we bend enough to more, put paper here, a paper, very special, and a paper here, and a button, and we have a logo, DIS, very special school in Cambodia. Yeah, you have to put like this, You put the paper inside in the middle, do very well. A lot around here, a lot of skirt, pants, and trouser. There's have a lot. It is small, but a lot of worker can do here. Yeah, and here more, and they put in the plastic bag. It is finished. They prepare ready. Yeah, prepare ready, and they put in plastic bag. And after more finished, they send to somewhere. They send to school. And after more, they bend it more. They tie. They tie. Sometimes 4, sometimes 5, sometimes 6, sometimes 10. So you have a lot. Yeah, they tie here. Okay, very special. Yeah, very special. Yeah. And when they put a plastic bag ready, and they put a big bag. The big bag inside, yeah. Plastic bag inside here more, and it then go to the place they didn't need it. Very special. We have a lot of stages that finish one skirt, one pant or trouser, and a lot. Yeah, that I told you already. The first and after more, when they started, we have to machine. Yeah, machine. Yeah, machine here. A sewing machine here. That the sewing machine here, and after more, they put a button. They put a button in the t-shirt. Yeah, put a button in the t-shirt and put inside a needle inside, and we have to put it. It's very special, very special. And after more, when we came about t-shirt, about skirt, about trouser, about pants, long time. Yeah, because we have a lot of 3 stages, 3 or 5 or 4 stages. Long time to put in the button inside, yeah, and for put inside here, very special. See, very specialist. They can do it well. It's very good. Yeah, you can look here. Oh, very cute. Okay, it's so cute. And so here the button, and color here. Yeah, we have 2 different style, different kind. 2 other school, it is for a Western international school. Very special, okay? It is color, it is button, 2 button here inside. It is for t-shirt, very special. Very, very good. It for kids. 6 years old, 7 years old is very special. It's good here. Okay. Very special. So everything that I told you, and so you have a lot of style, a lot of kind here. It is for the student to get certificate. It's a big certificate. Yeah. Long, we have cap here, and it's a big. I'll show you a bit, okay? I'll show you a bit. It's a lot, okay? Wow. Very special. Graduate ceremony in Cambodia. Yeah. Graduate ceremony in Cambodia is for university faculty, and the graduation of university, they have a very special here. Yeah. Okay. I wait. I put it. I don't know how to do. Come on. You have you look it a bit. I want to. No problem. Okay. This is for a very special. Yeah. And so you. So very handsome. You have a cap more. It is for graduation student that they finish university. Wow, so handsome man. Somebody see me. Hey more. Put here. Wow. Wow. Not goes there. Okay. Wow, we have cap. Yeah, we have. No cap, only here. Wow, uniform is very handsome. So handsome, okay? Oh my God. When somebody that when you was a kid, we study long time, 12 years for 12th grade, and after more you finish for university 4 years, and you got here. Very so special graduation ceremony, and you wear it, and have a cap more, but no cap, okay? No cap more here, only here, a bit, okay? Very handsome. Not ghost, very handsome man. Okay? Long, oh, very long, very long. It's very special. Okay? And thank you so much that I told you about one factory in Cambodia, that I show you one factory and the production line, about cut thread, about sewing machine, and the band, the t-shirt, and the put a plastic bag more, and the iron there. So you have a lot, very a lot, okay? So handsome. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. All to you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.